Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have brought an extremely important and high scoring topic from the English language for all competitive exam aspirants. In this session we will practice 60 high scoring MCQs on antonyms. Make sure to watch the video till the end and test your knowledge. Question number 1 is choose the antonym of abate. Abate means to reduce and the antonym for it will be intensify. So option B will be correct. Next question is question number 2. Select the antonym of benevolent. And benevolent means kind. And the antonym of it will be option A, malevolent. Next is question number 3. Pick the antonym of capricious. Capricious means unpredictable. So the answer for this among the options will be steady. Option A will be correct. Next is question number 4. Choose the antonym of defer. Defer means to postpone. And the antonym of defer will be option number C. Expedite or hasten we can say. Next is question number 5. Select the antonym of enervate. And the answer for this is option A, that is invigorate. Enervate basically means weaken, while as invigorate means energized. Next question is question number 6. Pick the antonym of fervent. Fervent means passionate. So this antonym of fervent will be apathetic. Option A. So option A will be correct. Next is question number 7. Choose the antonym of garrulous. Garrulous basically means talkative. So talkative will be the synonym of it. So the antonym of garrulous will be silent, the one who is not speaking too much. So option A will be correct. Next is question number 8. Select the antonym of harangue. Harangue means scolding speech, and its antonym will be praise. So option A will be correct. Next is question number 9. Pick the antonym of imminent. Imminent means about to happen. So its antonym will be option A, distant, or we can say which is far off. Next is question number 10. Choose the antonym of jubilant. Jubilant means extremely happy, and its antonym will be morose. Option A. Next question is question number 11. Select the antonym of kinetic. Kinetic means the one which is moving. So it's this antonym will be static, the one which is stationary. Next is question number 12. Pick the antonym of laconic. Laconic means brief, and its antonym will be verbose. Verbose means worldly. Next is question number 13. Choose the antonym of mendacious. Mendacious means lying. So its opposite or antonym will be the one which is truthful or honest. Next is question number 14. Select the antonym of nefarious. Nefarious. Nefarious means wicked, and its antonym will be versus. Option A will be correct. Next question is pick the antonym of obdurate. And obdurate basically means stubborn. So its antonym will be flexible, or the one which is yielding. Next question is question number 16. Choose the antonym of parsimonious. And parsimonious means stingy, and it is this antonym will be option B, extravagant. Next is question number 17. Select the antonym of quixotic. And quixotic means impractical, so its answer will be option B, the one who is practical. Next is question number 18. Pick the antonym of recalcitrant. Recalcitrant means disobedient, and its this antonym will be obedient, or option A, compliant. Next is question number 19. Choose the antonym of sagacious. Sagacious means wise, and its antonym will be option D, foolish. Next is question number 20. Select the antonym of taciturn. Taciturn means quiet, and its antonym will be talkative or chatty. So option A will be correct. Next is question number 21. Pick the antonym of ubiquitous. Ubiquitous means everywhere. So everywhere will be the synonym of ubiquitous, and its antonym will be rare. So option A will be correct. Next question is question number 22. Choose the antonym of vociferous. Vociferous means loud. So loud will be the synonym, and its antonym will be quiet or silent. So option C will be correct. Next is question number 23. Select the antonym of winsome. Winsome means charming. So charming will be its synonym, and its antonym will be repulsive or unattractive. Next question is question number 24. Pick the antonym of zealous. Zealous means enthusiastic, and its antonym will be apathetic. So option A will be correct. Next is question number 25. Choose the antonym of abstruse. Abstruse means hard to understand. So its antonym will be the one which is obvious or clear. So option A will be correct. Next is question number 26. Select the antonym of bombastic. Bombastic means pompous, and its antonym will be humble or modest. So option B will be correct. Next is question number 27. Pick the antonym of circumspect, and it means cautious. Its antonym will be reckless or careless. So option A will be correct. Next is question number 28. Choose the antonym of debilitate. Debilitate means weaken, and its antonym will be strengthen, make strong. So this option number D will be the correct answer for this question. Next is question number 29. Select the antonym of eclectic. Eclectic means diverse, so its antonym will be narrow or limited. So option A will be correct. Next is question number 30. Pick the antonym of fallacious. Fallacious means false, so its antonym will be correct, or among these options, option A, true, will be its antonym. This is all about this first part of this video.